All right, guys, we're back. We're over at
Harrisburg Bridge.
Yes, the Harrisburg Covered Bridge.
Covered.
So anyhow, we just filmed over at Emirates Cove, and we're going to try to get you some shots from this bridge.
Harrisburg.
And you're going to fly yours too?
I don't know.
All right,
there's a lot of limbs.
let's give it a shot. You got to hold it level too. Remember that.
It's self-levels.
It is not. Your hands is what levels it.
If I did it like that, it would turn over. Did you ever lose any satellite? No, not there. You're fine there. Signal look good underneath. Losing it. If you lose signal with it.
All right, we're back out here at Walter State. We did both covered bridges. I may do those videos separate. I may just do them together as one video. But anyhow, we got out here and monkeyed around with some waypoints and some other stuff with the drones and mapping out some of the little features and stuff that they have. And of course I did a couple speed tests. Winds weren't too bad. They were only like 3 miles an hour. We had gusts of 7. And it's just currently overcast. Sun's peeking through a little bit over there. Mountains are pretty. Smoky, just like they're called. Anyhow, that's going to be a wrap. Join us next time. Maybe it won't be drone footage. People are probably getting tired of the sunrises and sunsets, but today's been a good day. It's 67 degrees and could have been riding motorcycles or whatever, but we chose to fly drones. Anyhow, Dennis, you got anything to add?
Great day, no crashes. Made it back safe.
All right, we'll catch you guys next time. Later.